Hello students. So we'll start with the question. A line passing through the points 2, 7 and 3, 6 is parallel to the line joining 9, A and 11, 3. Find A. So this question is basically, it is a combination question from two chapters because it is from the coordinate geometry and as well as it is from the pair of linear equations. See here, pair of linear equations because they are mentioning that the lines are parallel. Along with that, it is from the chapter coordinate geometry. Why? Because they have not given the equation of the line. So first we'll have to find the equation of both the lines. So see, I'll draw two lines here. So let this one be, it is AB, whose coordinates they have given, that is 2, 7, and another one it is 3, 6. And this line is parallel to one more line, that is, we take it as CD, whose coordinates are already given, that is 9, 8. Along with that, another one it is 11, 3. So first we'll have to find out both the equations. So from coordinate geometry, I guess we know the formula to find the area of a triangle if three coordinates are given. So that is, see, the formula to find the area of triangle, it is area equals half into the modulus of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. We'll have to use this formula in order to find the equation of both the lines. So first we'll find the equation of the line AB. Let us take another point somewhere on the line. So we'll take an arbitrary point x, y. And let us take 2, 7 as x1, y1, x1, y1, and we'll take 3, 6 as x2, y2. And let this arbitrary point, let it be x3, y3. So we'll substitute these in the formula. So since all these 3 points are collinear, therefore the area of the triangle will become 0. So we'll take the side area as 0, which is equal to half into modulus of x1, that is 2. So it is 2 of y2 minus y3. y2 is 6. So it is 6 minus y3, which is y, plus x2 is 3 of y3, which is y, minus 7 plus x3, we have taken it as x. So therefore x of y1 minus y2, we will take it as 7 minus y2 is 6. So we'll set this 2 on the other side, which becomes 0. So therefore it is 0 equals 2 into 6, which is 12, minus 2 into y, it is 2y, plus 3 into y, it is 3y, minus 3 into 7, it is 21, plus, see here we'll simplify first and then we'll multiply. 7 minus 6, which is 1, 1 into x, it is x. So let us simplify this further and we'll write the equation, that is x plus 3y minus 2y, which is y, and 12 minus 21, it is minus 9. We'll send it on the other side, we'll get it as plus 9. So this, we'll take it as equation 1. This is the equation of the line AB. So in the same way, we'll also find the equation of the line CD by taking another arbitrary point x, y on the line CD. So that is, we'll take this as x1, y1, and this one we'll take it as x2, y2, and x, y we'll take it as x3, y3. So we'll substitute all these values in the equation, that is 0, which is equal to half into modulus of, once again it is x1, which is 9, of y2 minus y3, that is 3, minus y3 is y, so therefore we'll take it as y, plus x2 of y3 minus y1, x2 which is 11, of y3 minus y1, which is y minus 8, plus x3, once again it is x, of y1 minus y2, which is a minus 3. Yeah. So we'll write the equation for the line CD as well. So it is 0, which is equal to 9 into 3, it is 27 minus 9y plus 11 into 1, which is 11y, minus 11 into a, we'll write it as 11a, plus we'll not multiply this x inside, we'll keep it as it is. So that is x of a minus 3. So now we'll write the simplified equation, that is x of a minus 3, and see here it is minus 9 plus 11, which we'll get it as plus 2y, and 27 minus 11y, 11a, we'll take it on the other side. So it is minus 11a, when you take it on the other side, we'll get it as plus, which is equal to 11a, and this 27, we'll send it on the other side, we'll get it as minus 27. So let us take this as equation 2. See, this is equation 1 and equation 2. So from coordinate geometry concept, we got to know the two equations. Now we'll get into the concept of the parallel lines. So in pair of linear equations, it is clearly mentioned that if there are two equations, then the equation for the parallel line, that is a condition for the lines to be parallel, that is a1 by a2, which is equal to b1 by b2, which should not be equal to c1 by c2. See, this is a condition for any two lines to be parallel. So a1 by a2, b1 by b2, we'll substitute the values of this from the equation 1 and 2. So a1 is the coefficient of x, which is 1, divided by a2 is the coefficient of x in the equation 2, which is a minus 3, which is equal to b1. b1 is the coefficient of y from the equation 1, which is 1, divided by b2 is the coefficient of y from the equation 2, which is 2. So by simplifying this, we'll get the value of a, that is a will be equal to, see, when you take it to the numerator, you will get a minus 3, which is equal to 2. So send that minus 3 on the other side. So you will get it as a, which is equal to 5. So therefore, the value of a, what is being asked in this question, the value of a is 5. Thank you.